Encryption and decryption tools play a crucial role in securing communications and data. They can encrypt sensitive information, making it unreadable to unauthorized users, and decrypt it when necessary, using specific algorithms and keys. Here's an example of an encryption and decryption tool using Python. The tool provides functionalities for both symmetric AES and asymmetric RSA encryption, allowing the secure transmission and storage of data. Generate_RSA_keys method creates a 2048-bit RSA key pair. The RSA_encrypt and RSA_decrypt methods provide RSA encryption and decryption. The AES_encrypt and AES_decrypt methods offer AES encryption and decryption with authentication tags. At the end of the code, there's an example of how you can encrypt and decrypt data using both RSA and AES. This code provides a comprehensive encryption and decryption tool, covering both symmetric and asymmetric algorithms. It can be further expanded to include additional encryption algorithms, key management, and integration with various communication protocols. By understanding and applying these principles, cybersecurity professionals can ensure the confidentiality, integrity, and authenticity of data.